So to add uh, Ubuntu instance or to configure Ubuntu virtual machine into this virtual box, we have to get the Ubuntu desktop software. So we just have to go to your browser and just say download Ubuntu desktop. So this will get you to the Ubuntu website where you will see a link to download your Ubuntu version. So here is where the latest version of Ubuntu is. It's 22.043 LTS. So click on this link. Once you click on this link, it will start downloading uh, to your downloads folder, and this may take a little amount of time. So once you have this version ready with you, so right now I'll just pause this download as I have already got downloaded this to save some time. What I'll do now is you have to get this downloaded, and then once it got downloaded, go to your virtual box, click on this new button over here. Once you click on this new button, you just give some random name for this, or some meaningful name to your virtual machine on which you will be configuring the Ubuntu operating system. So let me give this name as Mohan, and here is where you have to choose the file that you have downloaded. Okay, so what you have to do is click on this expand button, click on the other, and go to or point to the folder where you have downloaded your ISO file. Okay, so this is the file which I have downloaded. Click on this, select this, and click on open. Okay, once you selected that, which is an ISO file, the same is about to get downloaded over here as well, which is an ISO file. Okay, and then I am going over back over here, select that ISO image and click on next. So here is where you see the root user. Okay, always the root user name will be a vbox user, and the password would be change me. So sometimes you may need to log in or do some operations using root user, so you need to make sure you remember this. Just copy paste this somewhere else, and make sure you remember the password and the username for the root user. And right now the host name is I just want to keep it as the same of this machine, which is Mohan, and you just need to click on next. And here is where you just have to make sure you give enough hardware to this virtual machine to work efficiently, right? So I have around 1638 384 MB, and let me make it as around 7,000 or something. uh, so somewhere around 700 would be fine. And I have 8 CPUs, 8 cores, processors, so let me make it as 3. So based on your configuration, your system configurations, you can choose this, and make sure if you are choosing less base memory or processors, this may not work as expected, or it will be the virtual machine would be little slow. And here is where I'm clicking on next, and I just want to make this as a hard disk size as around 70 GB would be fine. Um and then click on next and click on finish. Once you clicked on finish, you would see that machine added over here, and it will get powered up. That's all about configuring your machine. And now you see something is getting started in the background, so it is actually launching the Ubuntu instance that you have configured right now.